Hey, this is Dansoy from the East Coast. Cold night, -10 Celsius, inside the warm house. I cut a lot of the steps out of here so you can just see it. This is like a 10-minute meal, but it should only take like 10 or 15 minutes. It's key lime chicken. I'll go over everything and just put it together. You can use it with rice or pasta or whatever suits you. You can mix it in or you can put it over top. But like I have chicken there, and I let that fry up and brown. Then I have peppers here, so I just throw the peppers in. And you can just stir them together. This is already cooked, but the recipe calls for key lime, or you can add whatever sauce. It has stewed tomatoes, it has grilled chicken, parsley, cilantro, onions, tarragon vinegar to give it a kick, chicken broth, and olive oil. I already made brown rice, and you could use white rice, jasmine rice, or pasta. But when you're cooking it, you just put the olive oil in, you let that go, and you squeeze in some tarragon vinegar. You just stir that all together, and it doesn't take long to cook that. Then after that, you just put it right over top of your rice. You put it over top of your rice. Then you can add your onion, cilantro, parsley, and I got stewed tomatoes. You just flip it on the top, and voila, it's done. If you want, you could take extra key lime sauce and put it over there, but it's basically done. So this thing just takes as long as the chicken needs to cook. But it's a cheap meal. It's a 20-minute meal. My goal is to bring you 20-minute meals in the future. Thanks for cooking with me and spending time with me in the Northeast. God bless. Peace out. Happiness and health to you and your family. God bless. Dansoy 2019.